whether protein present in this anda, egg, yes or not. Okay. So to test the protein presence in anda, first of all we have to know a little bit of structure of anda, egg. Okay. So in the anda, actually we know when we break the egg, we get a white portion, white content. It is called as egg white. The technical term is albumin. The technical term is albumin. And you can see there are two layers of albumin. Exterior albumin layer and interior albumin layer. But what is albumin? Albumin consists 90% water and 10% protein. Not a single protein. There are three types of protein present in albumin. Albumins, mucoprotein and globulins. Albumins, mucoprotein and globulins. So we are going to test whether this protein present in the egg, yes or not. Of course we all know that egg is protein rich food. Now the center, that is the yellow content, that is the egg yolk. It is rich in lipid. It is rich in lipid. That's why doctor suggests the person with high cholesterol to avoid this yellow part. Okay, I know in your home also, in your family also, you are having the cholesterol patients. So doctor advised them to avoid the yellow portion of the egg, because the white portion, it is protein, no problem with the protein, but egg yolk is rich in lipid. That is the problem with the cholesterol people. Okay. Now how we test? So we need two chemicals. One is copper sulfate, another is caustic soda. Caustic soda is the common name of sodium hydroxide. So this is the copper sulfate. Okay, and this is the caustic soda. The test today we are going to perform, the name is biuret test. In the CBSE class 6, they do not mention the name of the test. Of course, they avoid the complexity, but it is known as the biuret test. So we are going to test whether protein present within the egg, yes or not. So first we have to prepare the sodium hydroxide solution and copper sulfate solution. So for that, first I start with the copper sulfate. Now I am taking a little bit sample of copper sulfate. I can also use the spoon or spatula, but to show the color, now you can see, please focus it. So this is the copper sulfate, blue color. Okay. Now to pour within the test tube, we used to make a funnel, just like when we are taking jhalmuri or chanachur from the free wala. Now they are using the packet also. Simple technique. You have to make a funnel, this type of funnel, and we simply insert it. Okay. Then, so why I use this type of funnel? So that copper sulfate should not stick to the wall of the test tube. This is the test tube, 20 mm capacity, 20 ml capacity test tube. Now you can see as that. Now I have to add the little bit of water in it and simply have to shake it. Now I get the copper sulfate solution. Okay, you can see the color, copper sulfate solution. Okay, fine. Then I have to prepare the sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide, actually we called them as pellets. What are pellets? Let's see. These are called as pellets. পিঠের মতো স্ট্রাকচার। Okay, pellets. So I have to pour some pellets in a test tube. We need not, even we can pick it with bare hand, no problem, and we simply put some pellets in it, then adding some water, then I simply shake it with another finger, not the same finger, because there is a possibility maybe in my other finger there is a little bit of copper sulfate, so I am using the another finger. So you get it. So that is the sodium hydroxide solution. Now I need protein. For protein, egg is there, so we have to collect the white portion, not the yellow portion, that is the albumin. Okay, now you can see, okay, I get enough white portion, you can see. Okay, and I pour it in a test tube. Okay, you can see. Now, though it is written in textbook that is 10 drops of sodium hydroxide, 2 drops, 3 drops of copper sulfate, but I am pouring the sodium hydroxide just equal amount of the albumin, approximate equal amount of the albumin. Okay, then I mix it by the process of rubbing, not shaking. You can shake it, no problem, but if I rub the test tube a little bit, okay, I can also shake it. Now I pour a little bit of copper sulfate. For that purpose I am using a dropper, glass dropper. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happened. I put another 2 or 3 drops, then I shake it vigorously. Now you get the color. The color is actually purple or mauve. The color ranges purple to the mauve, purple to mauve. So if the color change, then we conclude that proteins are present, and actually it is called as Biuret test. So color change confirm the protein is present in the albumin part of the egg. This is a very simple protein test. Now the question is, sir, whether we can perform this test with other protein solution. Yes, you can perform it. If you can make any protein solution, you can perform this test. Thank you.